In this video, we're going to take a look at Helium Mobile and Mint Mobile to see which one is better. Now, as you can see, both of them aims to provide affordable and innovative mobile plans. So now we're going to take a look at pricing. So as you can see, Helium Mobile keeps things simple with a flat $20 per month for unlimited data, talk and text. There are no tiers or complicated decision to make, so basically you're gonna get unlimited everything in this plan. And as you can see, you can also, now if you're a traveler, Helium Mobile's international roaming rates are appealing, costing just $15 per gigabyte of data. Now, as you can see here, Mint Mobile focuses on flexibility and customization, and its pricing starts as low as $15 per month if you commit to a 12-month plan for 5 gigabytes of data. Now here we have data allowance, so if you want just based by pricing, I recommend you going with Helium. Now here we have data allowance. So basically Helium Mobile provides unlimited data with a few speed adjustments after heavy usage. So after using 28 gigabytes of data in a billing cycle, speeds are reduced to 1 megabytes per second. And if your usage climbs further, it's gonna get lower and lower. But on the other hand, basically on Mint Mobile, you're gonna have 4G and 5G networks. And here, as you can see, on the unlimited plan, speeds remain high for the first 40 gigabytes of usage. So overall, I think Helium is better. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.